I came to this reservoir for a lunch break walk, and I just looked at the water, just seeing if I could just like count all the ripples, just for the sake of. And I started praying silently to myself. But my friend over there had other ideas. He said amen before I was done. But I looked at it as a good omen. He was just simply saying good job. So I blessed him back. It's nature for you. Birds. We're all saying something. We're all moving in different ways, but the language that we speak is all the same, hopefully. The language of love, the essence of love. We're compatible. We're very compatible with all these things. The dissonance comes when we start to think about all the ways in which we aren't alike. And that creates separation, angst, hate, bigotry, all the stuff that's incongruent with how we were all formed and how we should all coexist. Anyway, wishing you all a beautiful and blessed day. Hope you're taking great care of yourselves in this noisy world and taking care of your mind. Peace.